You've eaten this bread hundreds of times.
But you've never seen how it's really made.
Inside massive production facilities, millions of identical loaves are produced every day.
Perfectly soft every single time.
It all begins with precision ingredients. Flour, measured down to exact grams.
Water, carefully controlled.
And yeast, the living force behind the rise.
Then everything comes together.
Powerful mixers develop the dough structure, creating a strong gluten network.
Stretchable but resilient. Even temperature is critical.
Now ready for the next phase.
Divided into perfect portions. If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Every piece exactly the same.
Shaped into uniform forms.
Now they begin to rest.
And rise for the first time.
Each dough piece is flattened, then rolled into its signature shape. Every loaf is calibrated for consistency, perfectly aligned.
Smooth to perfection.
Now comes the most delicate stage. Warmth and humidity activate the yeast.
Causing the dough to rise.
And develop its airy structure.
Tiny gas bubbles form inside.
This is what gives bread its softness. Now ready for baking.
Inside massive tunnel ovens.
High heat transforms everything.
The bread rises one final time.
A golden crust begins to form.
Steam controls the texture of the crust,
creating that signature color.
Perfectly baked every time. Thousands of loaves every hour, every day.
Fresh out of the oven, the bread is still too hot.
Heat and moisture must be released.
Cooling lines can stretch for hundreds of meters.
Airflow is carefully controlled to stabilize the structure.
keeping the inside soft while the outside sets.
Then comes slicing.
Ultra-sharp blades cut with precision.
Ultra-sharp blades cut with precision.
Every slice perfectly even.
revealing that soft, airy texture.
Every loaf is inspected. Checked for exact weight. And consistent shape.
Anything off is removed.
Approved loaves move forward.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Sealed to maintain freshness. Labeled for tracking. Grouped for distribution. Moving at incredible speed.
and sent to warehouses.
From the factory floor to delivery routes across entire cities.
Traveling thousands of miles. To reach stores near you and placed on shelves, ready to be picked.
And finally, into your hands.
That familiar opening.
The softness.
The airy texture.
And that first bite.
From simple ingredients.
Through heat and precision. Through dozens of engineered steps.
All for something so simple.
And now, you know how it's made.